Me mamunyina akwaba bia sensia de di kan me do bia subscribe to this channel ase. Wa hwe me videos na like na fe wo share no. Nyame nhira o baby obia na send the original me kan no. And then so another simple recipe but equally delicious. Wa ho. Enti ne ji akonwa no na we de egg muffins abetime din breakfast and lunch. Open the dinner so a wo de abetime aye ne sa. Enti ji akonwa na twa to TV ni so de frɛ busuafo ni na ne fa nhihye so. Efi se koyi. Yeah, to us. Auntie, once I make us a simple. Near me, I say I am a leftover smoked ham, and I will say I black pepper. Auntie, black pepper no, I optional won't pay frame. Way and chair me de kakra begum, and na me red onions in the and soon red one, I bet me is white one, and na bell peppers in the a red one, green one, away a spinach. Auntie, no saw organa na shemina spinach na. Wait me soon contumely, and also becosa, and away cheese, and also optional whopper. And I say, I am in Kosia 6. Now made the 3 egg white egg hase, and I'm the yolk me no, a babeka hase, and Tinin I 6 because obu on moi on pair egg yolk no, so into bet me I sign. And I say, I am a oil spray I be soon to me muffin tins to see in chow me yaba near the ashes. And they say, I dear me and some made me black pepper ni be egg gumming cosuanim, with the be so good egg white DNA. Nti wo mpa na wa yi afrim na afa the salt to taste enye ne bebre smoked ham no ya na salty afa dia me na nsa me whiskey na afa ya to aso na afa egg whiteness wa kan fra. And they said, "Your mind is a muffin tin be our only muffin tinner. Ubet me and one dish him now watch chip. So I say now they will oil spray and butter. Now they go. And they say me no way made me spinach ye be gum na spinach neso soon to me boom. And to me team. Missy me boom. No what it be more gum. On try spinach muffins that I know what try spinach and egg come on. Na fe would do Jenny account. Inti dear what I say and so no made me pepper CB gum. So inti do honey dear woo pebia na way nekui. Na afia hanso mede me spinach no ebi gu ase na afia mede ham no ebi aka ho the peppers into filling no vegetables be are leftovers no na dey go. He said, "Dear me and see your pet cheese, now the cheese a gusunti. In fin had dear me and me the cheese a guso. Now ham with the onions, me the cheese a cabaco. Tino, send me kind, a optional dear wool penno. Now why any sa. After dear me and some the egg white no, a good me spinach and so. Now the guso are not wap a fork, not just say, what be a must say no ama a quaya beda. Wanya ne sabon so bewie no na enko babia afese se no ahwie nkosua no nso egu ne aka no so Yabusia for say na yo me dey see me baking tray ma so me oven no dey at 170 intimi dey ko shem na afi ma be yi ayefri ho a kire ye to aso Abusiafo person aye kama akono no jai levels of them tibo modi answer be try amame enti once me ka say simple nene efutu am DJ nyina ne say ekoma ye mema no mesramo say oyire bo modern etwa recipes kama na mpo ankoyia mesrawo ka sania original mekano no eya ka no wodokwan so say bi o midok honey ana sani ofreni bia na yi di ankoyi ebia mekono komu kakra ma me ananchin no ekomu kakra ma me tia ya no ide wate won saso na o ka no do so a oba no so obeti ase original nkwan na be ka sei e wo do kwan so enti man no so se mukumu ka se aduane na ankoyi e ma bonfu di obetumi ani sa another time no wa ye ne sani ope no na ma ye nyina ye fie ayete enti so subscribe to this channel bomodi an subscribe if it's a channel we no ye nu aduane ni edi nkomo ni ye hye ye hu nkran se be ya ye nyina ye fie e be ye de nyame ya adoma ye be sen hia all the best